Hello, I'm Lydia. This is my rainbow. I made it for all the doctors and nurses.
And I'm going to show you how to make it today.
And I'm going to show you how to make it today. Hi everyone. These are the things I need to make for my rainbow mobile. Stapler, scissors, pencil, rubber, ruler, fishing wire, flowers, and gems, and blue, red, yellow, pink paper. Go and get those things ready, and then I will help you make those. I'm picking my pencil up, and then we're going to just draw a new line here. That. And then you're going to move your ruler like that. Like that. There. And then you've done it. Done the line. Now you have to cut it out. Okay? There. You have to do 4 strips on each one. Now you've got 4 strips. You need to cut 8 centimetres off, 6 centimetres off, 3 centimetres off. And that'll be great. Like that. And then 3 centimetres. Can't get it off. Now I've got 3 of the long bits and 2 of the short bits of fishing wire. And then you're going to put pink gems on either side. I've glued these two gems onto here. And then you need to get your scissors and cut how many lengths? 5 lengths. And then you need to tie a little knot. And then you have to put little flowers in the knot. That might be a little bit tricky, so your mom and dad will help you. And then I've done the same with these two. And that one too. Now you have to get your 5 strings and sellotape them onto there. And then you have to put them on the balloon like that. Now we have to staple this together.
You might want to say mind your fingers there.
Mind your fingers when you staple it, okay? And then you have to staple it like that. Like that, see? Stapled. Now you need to staple them. Get Mum and Dad to help you. Like that. See?
Hold it up so we can see. It's beginning to
Now I'm going to put the gems on the rainbow. So, you get a silver one. You pop it on that side. And then you do the same on the other side. And then you have to do 2 pink ones, like that, on the top, like that. And 1 on the bottom. Like that, see? Here it is, all finished. You can hang it in your window for all the doctors and nurses.
Have fun, everybody.
Have fun!